Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you ultimate floor leveling guide, how to avoid mistakes when you start floor leveling. I will be very appreciative if you leave some comments and your story when you did leveling. Let's go to start. First mistake when we doing leveling, we're not cleaning the subfloor. What's the problem we will get? So first of all, the primer can't penetrate to this old subfloor and not will be very good bonding with new self-leveling compound. In this case, for example, right here when I did in warehouse leveling, we remove silicone which was on top of this concrete subfloor with grinder, and then start floor preparation. Second mistake, you can do it, and I did it before, need to make very good perimeter protection to avoid any leaks self-leveling compound to any direction. So in this case, when I did a leveling on the middle of this warehouse, I cut backer board, some strips, and glue it with hot glue, make perimeter, and then put silicone on the bottom of these strips, make more safe this perimeter. Third mistake, we don't care about cracks. Once this mistake cost me $2,500, so that's why I'm filling all cracks what I'm found, and I would recommend you to do the same things. So any cracks you have to fill up with silicone, or sometimes when I'm doing wood subfloor or concrete subfloor, I'm using Plani patch or similar material which is fill up these holes. So when you make whole preparation, you have to put primer. Primer very important. Some people not applying primer. If you not apply primer, also old concrete not will be bonding with self-leveling compound, and self-leveling compound when it's dry can be unstick. I saw it many times. So you have to be very concentrate on it. So primer very important. You see, whole floor is green. This is the L primer from what I did. So another mistakes, when you take less material than needed. This is what I did mistake in this place. When I calculate, I didn't took these tools what I showed now. I didn't measure how many bags I need, and I said I need 15-20 bags, but the end of the job I finished 30 bags. So first of all, it cost me more, and second things, I took less bags with me, and I did this leveling 2 times. So when I did 2 times, I have to join two parts of self-leveling what I did, and if I did it in once, I just level and that's it. Because when I install tripods, have you seen it with a laser? When I install tripods, I can do it in one shot, but here I did it twice. I spent 3 days for it. So because I level once, I level second time, then I came third day and I grinded. Here as you see, I already did leveling. It's first day, nice level, and this is the second day. I add another 10 bags, and then on third day I grind this edge. I use straight edge. It took another few hours. I hope you can keep in your mind how to be more precise, how to do preparation, and if you will do it and follow all my recommendation, you will be very success. I hope this video was interesting for you. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.